Now coming to the third part of our release. So this time we are further expanding our watercolor paper range. A lot of you had requested that, we, let me just make some space, and that's better. So a lot of you have loved our watercolor paper. I have said it time and time again. Thank you for your love and support, especially for a company like us who have primarily been into craft supplies and, artist grade supplies for watercolor artists, oil paints, acrylic paints. All those things are quite new to us, and you all have loved the kind of quality we give you, especially for the prices. And the best part is all these products are made with love in India, and these are all Indian papers that you get. These are not exported or anything. These are not imported or anything. These are made in India papers that you get. And we are expanding our watercolor range. So our watercolor papers exist as of now consist in handmade watercolor paper. You get two, which is rough and cold press. Both of them are 300 GSM and 100% cotton. Guys, we as of now we only sell 100% cotton papers on our website. We don't sell semi cotton papers or something like that. So you get pure cotton papers for the price that you pay. And we also, this is our handmade watercolor paper range. Apart from that, we have a regular cold press paper, which primarily we suggest that if you are a stamper, if you are a card maker, we suggest instead of using handmade watercolor paper, you use that paper. So that is a synthetic machine made paper, and these are handmade watercolor paper. Now these are vegan papers, so no animal fat, nothing has been used while creating these papers. They are purely vegan papers. And as with all our papers come in two sizes. One is A5, where you get 10 pack of A5 sheets, and then another bigger size is 10 sheets of 9 by 12. So you get 10 packs of 9 by 12 sheets. So to the existing range of our handmade watercolor paper, which is rough and cold press, we are adding another one which is called smooth. So this is the texture is very similar to the hot press paper. Let me just show you the difference. Okay, I'll just zoom in so you can look at the textures in comparison. So I just want you to see all the three textures. So this is the rough, this is the cold press paper, and this is the smooth paper. So this by far is going to be the most smoothest paper, I think, of our range. So these are comparatively more coarse. So this also has a slight texture because it is cold press paper. And then this is rough, so it is meant to be textured, and it has quite a lot of texture. Plus guys, these are handmade papers, so they already have a lot of texture simply because these are not machine made, they are handmade. So yeah, we are super proud to bring these to you. Again, the prices for these are for 100% cotton paper. So these are not your 25% cotton paper, these are 100% cotton paper. So for that you get A5 pack of 10 sheets for 175 rupees, and you get 9 by 12 10 sheets 100% cotton for 325 rupees. So they are extremely affordable. We have thought of our beginner artist in mind, because sometimes art supplies are pretty expensive, they tend to go on a higher end, and especially for a beginner or a card maker, let's say, who wants to invest into art supplies, it kind of becomes an extremely complicated decision, simply because all things are very expensive. And that has always been the motto of our brand, to bring you artist grade quality products, be it watercolor paper, be it decoupage paper, chalk paints, etc., at really affordable rates, because we are a made in India brand. So I'll just show you some of the samples. Now these samples are not on smooth paper, but they are exactly the same, because you know, as I said, they all come from the same family. There's just a difference in the texture. So smooth has extremely smooth texture, but just to show you, this is some of my recent work, so you can see the quality, etc. And let me just grab yeah, okay. So the colors that I have used for my paintings are liquid watercolors. So these are Craftangles liquid watercolors, extremely vibrant watercolors, and you all have loved it. But for those of you who don't know about this product, I'll just show you some of the demo, and these are retailing on our website at 149 rupees for one bottle, 15 ml of what color you get. And this, trust me guys, these last really long, right? You know, I use it daily for almost a year now, and I still have some of the colors are almost less than half, but I still have colors left in it, you know, so they will last you quite long. So just to show you how they work in terms of vibrancy and how good the papers are in terms of blending, etc., I'll just show you some of the samples. Now here are some of the samples that I want to show you. Now this, as I said, is on cold press paper, but all the three papers are of same family, so they work exactly the same. The difference is just in the texture. The smooth will be the most smoothest, very similar to hot press, and this is cold press paper, and the next one that we had was rough paper. And the colors that I have used are Craftangles liquid watercolors. So here are some of the paintings that I wanted to show you. So now you for yourself get an idea on how these work with so many layers of color. And you can see, like, I have used many layers of color and none of it passes through. Like you can see the back. So they are extremely thick paper, and they are 100% cotton paper. So you don't have to worry about you know, them bleeding through, etc., not working with multiple layers of water or etc. These are watercolor papers, so they are meant to work with multiple layers. Also, a lot of our artists, you know, a lot of our customers have used these paper with acrylic paints. It has worked beautifully for them. So if you are a person who likes to make acrylic paintings, then you can definitely use this paper as well with your acrylic paints to create your own masterpieces. So guys, that was the release for today. I hope you enjoyed. So for our watercolor artist, we had the new range of watercolor papers, and for our decoupage artist, we have launched our new varnish and glaze and new decoupage papers. And for our scrapbooking artist, we have launched our new paper, which is wedding bells. Again, everything in terms of the bundles that I talked about, the scrapbooking bundle and the decoupage bundle, everything is launched and is available on website right now. I'll be linking everything down below for you, so you guys can have a look. I hope you enjoyed today's release. I'll see you in my next release or my next video where I show you demo of all these beautiful projects soon. Till then, take care. And also, before I log off, we will be releasing a couple of courses soon. So I hope you are waiting for that and you are excited as we are. Till then, take care and be safe.